everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change password on Zedge app. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Zedge application from the app drawer and make sure that you are logged in. From the main homepage of Zedge, tap on the settings button at the bottom right. Tap on your name at the very top and you'll be able to open up My Account tab. Tap on Manage Account at the bottom and it'll take you to your website. And on the next page, tap on the password option. Enter the current password for your Zedge account in the first text box. Now, head over to the new password text field and type in the new password you would want to change to for your account. Once you are done, tap the Change Password button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password for your Zedge account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.